My people, I don't bring in a matter from Zlatan and DJ Cuppy. Very popular musicians for Nigeria. For now, we no know them. DJ Cuppy na DJ. In fact, most popular DJ. That girl, they do wonders. No be small thing. Una remember Golato song? Hey, who is your daddy? Otedola, na the song be that. After this song, my people, the kind mysteries and wonders will start they happen. And for the beginning, everybody see am as normal. You understand? Because normally, music industry, not just music industry, even movie industry, people they get issues, they solve them. You understand? But now, the matter don't they get worse by the day because now different people don't they enter inside this matter. Relax, I don't come give you a better gist. The matter starts after Golato, where Zlatan go block DJ Cuppy. DJ Cuppy come the one that say, wetin happen? Golato was a hit. This one. She come they come outside, they ask us questions like say na me get her phone. I been na me get Zlatan phone we block am. She come say Zlatan don't block am for Instagram. He block am for WhatsApp. Say abeg make we help am find out o. My people. No be small thing. Now as I dey talk to una, the reason don't come outside. Now I bring a call on a table. Una no go believe say DJ Cuppy carry Zlatan go Abuja. Say they go do wetin they call a fundraising, many things. And she even use Zlatan name make money. No be change when we dey talk about to make better money. Till today, Zlatan no see one kobo. Even the Golato song where I just sing now, where they do collabo finish, Zlatan no see one kobo. The Abuja where they go, my people, now Zlatan himself remove money from his pocket, pay for hotel bill, not just for himself, for people where follow come, pay for food. They say this girl no even bother to say, okay, make I just do one thing. Meanwhile, now she carry am. Hey, try. The thing just they get fire every day. And now they can't call Zlatan say, Oga, I beg, waiting they happen because this girl don't they give us matter since. Say, you block her, you do this one, and she know they comfortable. Now so Zlatan when they look there like say they speak Spanish. Say, who is that? They go there say DJ Cuppy na Cuppy the musician. Zlatan say no. Say who be Cussy, even they mistaken with one actress name. This matter, I don't know why it just make me they feel happy, sha. My people, for now, we don't know what thing happen. Many of us don't even know who this Zlatan. I don't bring them on our side. Biko, let's watch the video.
What transpired between you blocking Cuppy on social media and have you unblocked her?
Is it Cussy Boots?
DJ Cuppy music.
You don't?
He's an artist.
Cuppy is a DJ.
Oh.
DJ Cuppy.
You haven't heard of... You don't know? Okay.
You don't know who that is?
Since you don't know.
Chineke. Also no Cussy. Who is that? Is that see, na highest level of disgrace be that, forget him. See how he bring Cuppy down, he bring her down. Since this matter start, people just they disturb this girl. If this guy just post something like this, hey, you go see comments. Go and pay Zlatan his money. Go and do this. They don't even want me she rest. Last, she could just leave internet for everybody. And now, see, I won't just see. I don't know why they emphasize on this one because this one they very important. My people, courts don't enter this matter. Imagine, from just say person block person now, courts don't they involve. Ask me who they carry go court. Davido crew member. His name na Israel. Many of una go na Alpha. They don't they carry and go court. Oh. Say the boy they insinuate say she no pay because of post where this guy post. I beg put this thing maybe they see what they talk about. Make you no be say na my own English. I just they add something. You did there. She said because of this post. Say she must carry this guy go court because the guy they lie for her head. I better bring this girl outside. Bring this girl outside. My sister, if na person advise you for this thing where you just come outside right say we will meet in court. Anybody will give you this advice no wish you well. She dey think say the joke. He no wish you well. You know where you go end with this matter. This thing where you dey start like this, you go finish am. See, you go just make everybody now they go hate you. Everybody now go hate you. You think say na everything they solve for court. Abeg, see, some people no just know wetin to do. See, make I just tell you now. Listen very well. No, I know say no be everybody get money, but you now you just come outside any small thing cut because your father get money. Na only you get papa wey get money. See, if person do you something, see, you no even need carry court inside this matter. E no dey necessary. You fit deal am with the person one-on-one. Na so your father train you, DJ Cuppy. Na so they train you. See any small thing, na court. Any small thing, na court. Because now we no know court now. No be the solution. So if you dey hear me now, I don't come here now talk to you. No be the solution. E get person wey make one statement. Na Ghana man. His name na General Mosquito. Because of this court thing, many things. The man say he be like in the inside the spirit. Any small thing court. Now so the man just come outside and say, see, any idiot can go to court. You understand that? Any small thing court. Make una dey go now. You dey carry Israel go court because of waiting. Simple thing where this guy. See, this guy no even talk anything bad. He just stated the obvious. You carry person, you person name. You blow, money come out. You don't even know say okay, you supposed to appreciate person. He stated the obvious. Me, I know they see any insult where they insult you for there. I know they see any money issue where even come out there. Except if you know say you dey guilty. I be my people. Now person where they guilty, they follow cases like this. So I don't just understand some people. See, this your court case where you don't start. Now dead on arrival. Because you say as I dey laugh. Now so all of us go end up they laugh you too. I know they see where you they go. See, if you not say all the things where people don't they talk about you or against you, no be true. It is very, very simple. Come out, show us proof that okay, on so day or so month, I made this transfer to Zlatan. Everybody mouth go shut up. Everybody mouth go shut up. But as at now, you never even still show us say okay, now this thing I do. Wait till you give them. My people, you know see as I dey smile because now Almighty OBO don't even enter this matter. Okay, I will sit down here. OBO Omo Baba Lowo. I talk away Omo Baba Olowo. Yes. See, this battle is about to get hotter and hotter. Imagine this match. Adeleke versus Otedola. Who go win? Because now Davido don't come outside. Davido don't. Yes, now you crew member they involved. They won't carry crew member go court. So what is supposed to do? Now to show support. Now what? Like Davido, you know the waste time. And now you know they involved. So they wait for waiting go happen next. You know that? Because now imagine this one they come outside say her father get money or $10 get money. Davido they support Israel. Davido papa get money. I don't know who you think say rich pass. Drop her for the comment section. Now $10 rich. I been Adeleke rich. I won't know what you think for this matter. My people as I dey talk to Nana DJ Cuppy. I just dey pray say this thing where she start, she go finish her. Because anything will involve Davido, we're not supposed to know. Obio know they, you know understand. I not just want to talk some things for English, understand? But that guy now bad guy. Bad guy, DJ Cuppy, no go spoil your career. You still dey very young and active. If I be you, listen, if I be you, I go jejely allow this thing lie down. If if it's possible, say go meet Zlatan, coded, una no even need come out for public. Go discuss this matter. You understand? Go meet am privately. Say, see, I know say I for your hand. You understand? We no even need know wetin you tell am, but once we see say una don reconcile, we go understand. As simple as that. Any small thing, cut. Your papa get money, now you the owe person. My people, now the case be this so very serious case, and I want to know what you think. And if una no one forget, una no one miss the continuation of this case, una want know what Davido go do, how the court case go end. Now why una need subscribe and click on that notification bell. If not, you go miss the fight where they come now. At Otedola versus Adeleke, the thing not even they sound somehow for your ear. Me, I don't feel wait to. So drop off in the comment section, share this video, make everybody know what they happen here, and click on that notification bell once again. If not, you go miss. I love you guys. See you later.